Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace rotors on a Dodge Charger. First, gather your essential tools, including a reliable jack, a sturdy lug wrench, and a comprehensive socket set. Make sure you have your new rotors and fresh brake pads on hand. Remember, safety is paramount, so always use jack stands to secure your vehicle and wear appropriate protective gear throughout the process. Now, let's get those old parts off. Begin by safely lifting your Charger and removing the wheel. Next, unbolt the brake caliper and carefully hang it without stressing the brake line. Then, remove the caliper bracket. With the bracket out of the way, you can now easily slide the old rotor off the hub. Take a moment to inspect other brake components for any signs of wear or damage. With the old rotor removed, it's time for the new one. Thoroughly clean the hub surface to ensure a perfect fit for your new rotor. Carefully slide the new rotor onto the wheel studs. Reattach the caliper bracket, making sure all bolts are tightened to specification. Finally, install your new brake pads and carefully reassemble the caliper, ensuring everything is secure and aligned. Before you hit the road, there are a few crucial final steps. If you open the brake lines, you'll need to bleed them to remove any air. Once everything is reassembled, pump the brake pedal several times to seat the new pads and build pressure. Drive cautiously at first to properly brake in your new rotors and pads. And hey, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice. Check the description for a link to that and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.